3 pages of notes and we folded them down the middle. If you're not sure which way to fold them, if you mean like which part is inside and which part's outside, the part that you should have on the outside should have this little line on it, like this one has a line in the middle. This one has little lines in the corners. So make sure that whichever way you folded it, that you can see those little lines on the outside of the folds. Kenny and Jeff, you guys with me? Good, because this is important. Alright, I'm going to show you how you need to cut the first page. However, be very careful because not all 3 pages are cut the same. So if you learn how to cut one of them and you suddenly decide to cut them all the same way, you will not have it done correctly. This book is created without staples, and it's important that you do it the way I tell you to, or your pages will not be in the right order. Okay. Hasio? Okay. Everyone find the paper that says concurrent lines and triangles. Looks like this. And on the back of it, it has a line that goes down the middle, but not clear to the ends, right? Okay, what you want to do is cut a little slit at the end of the line, but don't cut the corners. Then you cut right along the fold until you get to the end of the line. Then when you get to the end of the line, you cut that little piece off. So you've cut a little teeny piece off where that line was down the back middle of it, so that when you open it up, it's connected at the top and the bottom and has a hole through the middle. Do not cut your other pages the same way. I will not let you have a new one. If anything messes up, you will have to use tape. That's all there is to it. Alright, next. So the one paper that has the long line down the middle, you cut along the line, but you do not cut at the top and the bottom, and you make a hole down the middle like this. Alright, next. Next you take one of your other 2 pages, and this time you have little lines drawn at the top and the bottom. So this time you're going to cut right along the fold, cut a piece off the bottom of the fold, and cut a piece off the top of the fold, like that, so that you have, if you were to open it up, you've got a hole at the top and a hole at the bottom, but not in the middle this time. The other paper is going to be done that exact same way. The third paper will be done that exact same way. So find the third paper, take the third paper, cut it the exact same way. Yep, come up and get it. Okay, so now this one's cut the exact same way. So I have my 3 papers. 2 of them are cut with notches at the top and the bottom. The other one is cut with a slot in the middle. Okay, this is the tricky part. Place this one with the slot in the middle on your desk so that the fold is like, you know, it was folded, but now unfold it so it's just laying on your desk. Now take the other 2 papers that have the notches in the top and the bottom and nest them together, one on top of the other, so that the notches match up. Okay? So hold both of those papers together at the same time, sort of kind of fold it in half. Did you see what I just did? Fold it in half. slide the one with the notches into the one with the slot. And you kind of open it up, and it will fit in. And create a book. Check your page numbers, make sure they're in the right order.